more cars around us. We shake up the opponent. Go for a serious bump draft for days. Nonetheless, here out the pits going out for the warm-up lap. Sorry, I've been away for quite some time. As working full-time as a detailer now. And working out at the gym. It's been setting me back. Mentally, I've been put off for quite some time, but we're back at it. So this was our last Amigo session back in November. We had usually Amigo closes by end of October due to serious Canadian weather. But we had a surprise, wonderful weekend in November. Weather was absolutely fantastic, so we got out for a day session. Just ZMAN and I. But there was, as you can see, plenty other people in the session. Alright, just holding up here for ZMAN. The best sparring partner you can ask for. Here he is. Alright. That was not him, never mind. Still waiting up. Alright. A few moments later. Getting turned up. Got ZMAN behind us. Probably sneak up on us anytime now. Through the S turns. To the flat up. There he is. Looking mad rapid out here. Alright. He's in cart 67, looking absolutely dialed in. Looking like the Stig out here. So he finally broke out of 37 seconds, and I believe he put down a time of 36.8. It's pretty quick. I have yet to break out the 37s. Perhaps next season. Give me a properly dialed in cart. Can make it happen. Rocking the New Balance 574s out here. You alright. Into the hairpins. Slight tire squealing. But as you can see, ZMAN just pulling away. Can't touch that. My cart ain't dialed in as his is. And also the weight difference. But I'll let you know for next summer. Man's gonna be shredded. Been hitting the gym hard. Cutting weight through the S turns and back bend, flat out. Alright, a couple laps ahead. Caught up to a bigger pack here. ZMAN at the back, making big passes. Right, coming down the front straight. Into hairpin 1, big group. Oh, we have a spin out. Mans has beached it. Into hairpin 1. Through the S turn. 6. I'm going into turn 7 here. Big stretch. Hairpin 8. Lots of action going down. ZMAN making big moves. Fastest man's out there today. Hairpin 9, making gains. Looking to get into the slipstream of 75. Can we make it happen? Into hairpin 1. Man's still catching a suntan on the beach in hairpin 1. Big gains there, right on the bumper of 75 now. Looking for the move through the S turns. Not gonna happen. Gonna go for the outside shoot. Nothing there. Gonna go back onto the inside of the apex. Into hairpin 8. We're gonna shoot for the inside. Is it enough? Not quite. Right into the slipstream and hairpin 9. Gonna go for the inside shoot. Nothing happening. We're gonna tuck into the slipstream. Perhaps into hairpin 1 we can make something happen. 64 almost locking up. 75 almost drifted into 84, sorry. So we made the moves on 75. Now looking to hunt down number 84. Can we make it happen? Shaking things up. And we've jammed up the brakes a little too hard and spinning out into hairpin 8. Now we're gonna fast forward a bit. Gotta wiggle my way out. You know, them little lawnmower Honda engines ain't got no sauce on the uphill. But after a minute or so, wiggle their way out. Get back in the groove. Warm the tires right back up. Down the front line. What do we got? 84 went for the inside shoot, but bust a little switcheroo out of hairpin 1 and making them gains once again. He looked pretty shook up there. How was that even possible? But it's all about the line. Hairpin 8. Big tire squeal. Alright, little solo run right now. Not much going on. A couple laps later. Throwing up the deuces at ZMAN, but I don't think he's in the zone. Well focused. Skipping ahead a few laps later. Just cruising, waiting for a ZMAN. We're gonna let these mans go. Wanna duke it out with ZMAN. But he's nowhere to be seen. I just wanted some action. Let these mans go. Let's see what we can make happen in the next couple laps. Front line. Number 84 once again in front of us. Him and I seem to be around the same weight class. But that's alright. Making gains here. No moves yet. Oh, a little bit of a water splatter on the camera lens now. Slight blur in the crotch area. No, I ain't got my dick out. It's just the water stain on the camera. Blur the dick. Hairpin 1 making big gains. Looking for the inside shoot. Side by side, not quite. Gonna fall back a bit. Let him think he's got it. Turn 7 into hairpin 8. We're gonna make gains. We made some gains. Oh yeah. Yes, I squealish in the front line. Looking to tuck into the slipstream. Can we make it happen? Not quite. Not quite yet. Hairpin 1, big gains. Now we're in the slipstream. Now we talking. Right on the bumper. Shake him up, psych him out. Gonna look for the outside move, nothing. Bust a switcheroo here, nothing. Gonna look for the inside shoot, hairpin 8, we made it happen. See you later, buddy. Big moves, big moves. Oh yeah. That's what's up. Gonna pull away. And as you can see, after that couple lap battle between 84 and I believe it was 74 or something like that, pulled away heavy in the red shirt. Gonna be looking for more moves out here. Oh yeah. Front line, looking to make gains. Absolutely hugging the apex in hairpin 1. Curb riding. Very good. Gonna slow it down here. Let a few mans pass. There goes 84 again. I'm just waiting up for a ZMAN now. Let's see if we can make it happen. if we can have a proper duel. A few moments later. There he is, sneaking up on the inside, turn 7. Rapid. Jeez, look at that line. Alright. And once again, you can see him just slowly pulling away. Absolutely no chance today. I would have given you views from ZMAN's cart, but his camera was dead, as was mine the race before. Always a little something. Technical difficulties all the time. But we make it happen some way, somehow. Gotta give you guys content. Alright. Through the hairpins. And look at this gap just broadening way up. Finally some action up ahead too. Look at him just zipping by everybody. What you got, bro? You got NOS set up on that cart? You got a turbocharger or what? Number 75, big gains. On the inside 7. Ooh. Almost got a bit of cutoff there, but we made it happen. We squeezed through the hairpins. Back-to-back hairpins. In the front line. Looking to catch up to 84 once again. Seems to be having a little duel himself. Alright, making gains here. Good times. Big gains through the hairpins. Got number 59. 84 making passes. Sorry, 53. Not even 53. 52. I'm terrible with my numbers. And 52 regains. Right, look at this. Big bump draft on 84. Working together. Gotta pass 52 in it. Let's work together. Ooh, inside shoot. It's not enough. Notch off. Right back on the bump of 84, big bump draft, slipstream. I'm gonna push him ahead. Work together to pass 52. We're gonna have big action into hairpin 1-3 side. Oh, and pushing 84 slightly wide, but he regained somehow. 52 still ahead of us. Another bump draft. Big cutoff by 52 there. He's notching ahead, looking for the inside move on turn 7. And we made it happen into hairpin 8. Into 9. Gonna push him wide, throw up the deuces. See you later, buddy. Incredible 2-lap pass there. Into hairpin 1, going way wide. That was some good proper action there. Make it happen. Make it happen. All in all, pretty fun times. Good day. But yeah, last time we were out, camera was dead. I had the slowest card out there. It was a terrible session before this one, but nonetheless good times this time. Final day out at Amigo for the season. 63, looking pretty slow out here. So is number 50. Oh, wasn't too sure if that was for the rest of the manager or myself, but clearly it was me. But we're gonna get our final lap out, one extra lap. Man was flagging me down to enter the pits. But I was in the zone, feeling it. 20-minute session, good times. But yeah, that was a little cool down lap. Sorry for breaking the rules slightly. But that's alright. And now he's gonna come out and make it properly clear that it's me who should be entering the pits. Thank you very much for tuning in to another karting session here at Amigos. There's the boy Z. Big session today. Catch you on the next episode. Also, I haven't been posting any Gran Turismo videos as I'm updating to 4K life. Got the 4K TV, got a 4K capture card.
You got a 36.4.
Waiting to finish
37.7 for me.
my complete setup with the rig.
I knew you had a 36. I'm like, yo, this guy's fast.